Good day everyone, my name is Ria Ann B. Anggong, BIT Electronic First Year. I am here to demonstrate the features of Humani AI text. So, ang first buhato nato kay mag-search ta og Humanize AI sa Google. I-click nato ni. Tas mao na siya ang mugawas. So, there are 9 Humanize AI feature. The first feature of Humani AI is number 1. Simple interface. Simple interface. Anyone may easily and simply use the program because to its extremely basic user interface. You can use this tool even if you have no prior experience with similar tools. It merely requires you to type your words into the text field and select the Humanize option. Your task will be completed and the result will be written that seems human. Example. Humanize AI. Number 2. No barrier of language. Nevertheless, this tool is meant to use by everybody. This tool is not limited by language. Text entered in any language, English, French, Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, Russian, or Japanese, will be translated from AI-generated text to human language. Thus, don't stress over terminology, enter your text and reserve the outcome. Number 3. No login or sign up required. Number 4. All browser support. To use this tool, you can open it with any browser that is there on your device. It can be Chrome, it can be like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser that you have already installed on your system. Number 5. Safe. It ensures the safety and security of the user's data information. Number 6. Free at cost. This tool is available at no cost at all, making it accessible to all users. And number 7. All devices support. It is compatible with various devices including desktop, laptops, and mobile devices. Number 8. Sentimental analysis. This tool does that emotional analysis so that the output is generated seems to be human-rated. Humans have emotions and sentiments, and that is what the tool tries to bring to the AI written text. It gives the text emotional touch. And lastly, contextual analysis. The meaning and context that come out of the output should be correct. We have our algorithm doing this at the back end so that the context doesn't change and you get relevant text. And that is all. Thank you.